I made a crazy Grabo dust collection extension for drywall hole drilling with a laser alignment and an iris to adjust for the drill bit to give you maximum suction. This means that not even a single speck of drywall dust escapes when you're drilling into the wall, saving me several minutes of cleanup. And it ended up looking kind of like a spaceship, so I had some fun with the thumbnail. The reason that I went so over the top with this design and build starts with my ambitions for the Pika screw product line. In case this video circulates beyond my normal audience, that's this guy here, the screw with the disappearing slot. It doesn't seem entirely implausible to me that at some point in the future, Inclined could have a Pikaware catalog. You flip this catalog open and see hundreds of different Pika screws, covering a wide range of thread types and sizes, materials, finishes, head and drive types, and so on. And as you keep flipping, you see hardware designed to work with those screws. Hardware for furniture makers, certainly hinges, table bases, joinery solutions, but also architectural hardware like handrails, displays, lighting, and other fixtures. This catalog could have sections for automotive, marine, aerospace, lots of other things that I haven't thought of yet. It is a dizzying ambition. That is a big company, and I'm pumped to get into it and see how far I can get. The first step on this journey to big company with impressive catalog happens to involve drilling holes into my wall. So, with lots of big sales and business development efforts coming in the future, I decided to take a break from all that and build something with no potential for sales at all. I'm just trying to make it look really cool, catch every bit of drywall dust, not worry about manufacturability or how easy it is to build or any of that. I'm free to just add any feature I want without worrying about cost, manufacturing, any other concerns. If you would also like to build an unjustifiably over-the-top drywall dust collection extension, I do have a free plan you can download, as well as links to things like this camera iris that I used in the build. Link in description. Next time I'll tell you why holes in the wall were needed to kick off business-to-business Pikaware sales efforts. Until then, thanks for watching.
Dad, how is it turning?
Well, you gotta join my channel to learn how I did that.